job.
And can you confirm if it's valid? I will not have any issues.
What?
I will not have any issues with my license in here. Are you sure of that? Because I'm confused now. Some people say that it is fine to have this. Some say that no, you need a Spanish license.
Let me check. What
So if you can call somebody and ask.
Thank you. Yes, it's okay.
It is okay? Okay.
3,
1, 2.
¿Me dices la matrícula del address cuál quiere? Home address from India, telephone number, and one sign.
You have it, the address. This one.
This is the contract for you, okay?
Okay.
You have to keep it. If the police
Okay.
stop you, show this contract, it's everything okay.
Okay.
If you have some problem, you call this number, this is our number.
Okay, thank you. I know how, I mean, so that I know the condition of this and everything.
And,
For
like-
when I come back to give it back, and I also make YouTube videos so
So
that
it's for
those who see me,
information for
they can
tourists.
know how
Okay.
to
So they can
how to
come
do
No
this.
problem.
Yeah.
Here, you have this brake
Yeah.
and this button in the same time, okay?
Yeah.
To put on.
It's the same.
Here you have the signals.
Yes.
All the time you push and it stops, okay? With the key, in this part, you open here.
Yeah.
You have your things and here the benzene.
Can we see how much it is?
It's full, you have to bring back the same full.
Okay.
But you will see also here. When you put the key, this is going up.
Yes.
You see? It's going up. Easy, but it's going.
Yeah.
Will be full.
Okay.
Only this. Have a nice time.
Thank you.
See you later.